Welcome to the world of Arogya, the all-in-one hospital management solution. You can either download Arogya app from Play Store or App Store or use the Arogya portal provided to you with Arogya HMIS.
Hello everyone. So today we are going to discuss the reports available in our outpatient department module. This module provides a variety of reports that helps the hospital administration to view the data from different perspectives, making decision-making and tracking much more easier. The first report is the consultation report. This section comes with multiple filters like consultant name, department, user, patient type, age group, organization, and even specific dates. These filters helps us generate precise reports based on exactly what we need. Once the desired filters are applied, we can simply click to view or print the report. This gives a detailed view of OPD data. For instance, we can see that on April 1st, Dr. Aditya Singh consulted several old and new patients, along with the revenue generated for that day. The next report is the OPD gender-wise report. This report helps to analyze patient data based on gender. For example, on April 1st, 7 patients were registered, 6 males and 1 female. It also shows a breakdown of child patients by gender. Additionally, it distinguishes between new and old patients, which helps management to track patient retention and inflow patterns. Our next report is the OPD summary report. This gives a clear picture of each doctor's performance. For example, Dr. Amber Gupta and Dr. Aditya Singh, one of the busiest doctors, have their total numbers of new, old, and emergency OPD shown clearly. This allows management to evaluate productivity and workload for every doctor in the department. Our fourth report is the OPD service report. This report provides detailed insights into the service offered to patients during their OPD visits. It includes the type of service, number of units provided, and the total revenue generated from each service. This helps to track financial performance of each medical service over a defined period. So the next report is the consultation service utilization report. This report is focused on revenue and utilization of medical services. It includes patient ID, name, consultant, age, and the total amount paid. This report is extremely helpful to track which services are being utilized the most and how much income they are generating. The next report is the appointment report. This report helps to monitor patient appointments. It includes appointment time, token number, patient details, and consultant name. Filters can be applied to select specific dates or consultants. For example, we can see Dr. Aditya Singh's appointments from April 1st to June 24th in a detailed list. The last report is the OPD discount report. This report helps to track all discounts given to patients either by doctors or departments. For instance, on April 14th, a patient named Abhishek Kumar received a ₹100 discount on a CVC service. You can also apply filters to see discount records for specific doctors. Like on June 2nd, Dr. Adil Singh gave a ₹100 discount to Alok Kumar. So, we have now covered 7 valuable reports available in our OPD module: consultation report, gender-wise report, OPD summary report, service report, consultation utilization report, appointment report, and discount report. These tools make monitoring, planning, and improving healthcare services much easier.
Thank you for watching.